Similar jobs here. Both paying around $2 per hour, which is actually pretty low. So let me continue scrolling to find some better paying jobs that show what clients really value. Good. I can see a different type of job now. A part-time litigation researcher in Argentina, which is more specialized. So the pay would likely be higher than the Instagram jobs we saw. Let me continue scrolling to see more variety, which means it pays better than basic content creation. So the key to boosting your earnings is learning specialized skills that clients really need. How to actually create these social media content calendars using AI so you can land these jobs and make real money instead of just looking at them. Shows you how to build a social media content calendar for a real client. So let me type in a request for a small coffee shop. Good. The input is focused. So here's a solid prompt you'd use with clients. Create a 2-week Instagram content calendar for a specialty coffee shop with posts about new seasonal drinks, behind-the-scenes content, and customer testimonials, with suggested hashtags and optimal posting times. Welcome Pink, who's been supporting the stream multiple times. And welcome SpyHot. I've typed the prompt, and now I'm going to hit send to show you what AI generates for a real client deliverable. Welcome Nanter and Jesus. Look at this. AI just generated a full 2-week calendar with specific days, times, content ideas, and hashtags ready to go. And this is exactly what coffee shop owners pay for because they don't have time to figure this out themselves.
Ayan. Every day meron ka dito.
Good.
Makiklaim na 30 software.
The input is focused.
30 software tokens.
Welcome Rolling Stone. For cats. Welcome to AN.